Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have David here back with us, and this cool song called Poetic Vulgarity. Just taste that title, Poetic Vulgarity. Cool song title there. And this one is a picking based song here. We'll use some patterns, so no strumming for this one. It's of course based upon the 4 chords that it goes round and round here through the entire song, but anyway, yeah. Picking that is what we're gonna work with. So no need for any cape on this one, and I can just mention the chords. They are the A minor, the D7, then the G major 13. Very technical about that chord. And I think that is the correct name of this, and then the E minor. So let's take it chord by chord and look at the patterns there. So what you need for A minor is this grip here. And that is second on the G string, first on B, and third on the E, like this. All right, so you're gonna play open A together with second G, then first B, back to second G, then third E, then first B, then second G, first B, second G, third E, and first B. So it's pretty much 2 rounds of, but on the second round you will skip the bass, you just play the melody part there. So pretty much 2 rounds of the melodies here, but the bass is on the first round together with the first note, the second G. So all right, and the pattern here will repeat pretty much in all the other chords. Now let's go over to the D7 chord, and the grip is exactly like the D7 is, like this. So it's open D, second G, first B, and second E. Okay, so like I mentioned, the pattern is the exact same here, just a different bass note. So the bass note now is of course on the open D. So you play that note together with second G, then first B, then second G, then second E, and then first B. And then you pretty much repeat again without the bass note. So second G, first B, second G, second E, and first B. So that was the D7 chord. Then we have the G major 13. All right. So what I do from this grip, I go up to this grip, and I add my little index first finger there on this second E. So the grip is third on E in the bass. Sorry for that good sound there. Like that. And then we're gonna use the last 3 strings, the second G, open B, and second E. And the pattern continues in the same way. Now the new bass note is on the third E string, of course. You're gonna play that together with the second G, open B, second G, second E, and open B. And then you repeat everything now without the bass note. So just second G, open B, second G, second E, and open B, like this. All right, and just to give you some technical support here from the D7 here, and actually even from the A minor, this second on the G string just stays there glued, okay? So you don't have to lift off there at all. You just stay there from the A minor to D7, then to the G major 13. So I go with this third fret E string with my ring finger and my index finger on the 2nd fret E string. All right, so I'll go around my hand here, so to speak, and really turn my elbow into my body here, towards my body, so I really can reach out like this. All right, so that's a G major 13, and now for the last chord, the E minor, everything is open here. You're gonna play the open E string here, and all the 3 strings down there, the G, B, and E open as well. So that gives us open E string together with open G, open B, open G, open E, and open B. And then you play the melody again without the bass note there. Open G, open B, open G, open E, and open B. All right, so that is the pattern: A minor to D7 to the G major 13, and then the E minor. Slowly it goes like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers David's cool title song here, Poetic Vulgarity. It's easy peasy guys, nice to practice some pickings there, pretty easy chords, perhaps the G major is the challenging part there, but anyway, give it a try, and I hope to see you soon here on Goring Guitar, or yeah, read you soon perhaps, if you leave a comment or so, and perhaps even thumb up and subscribe to this channel, why not? So, thank you for your support guys, and until next time, play tuned.